Um, if you are new here, we talk about cryptocurrency, affiliate passive income, how you can actually make money on the digital space online, and then you just subscribe, bell icon, notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. It's very paramount, it's very important. And then guys, I want to talk about this opportunity. I know I have not been updating you guys lately because I got information. I was waiting for update today for actually arrive, and we are yet to see update. And in our groups, we are here to see major updates on this platform for payment and all of that. But for me, I'm very sorry. It's a very sad one because it's just too early. It's just too damn early for we to start getting news like this from them. But what do we do? That is things of life that we see. But how do we do? We need to just move on. For me, we need to just move on. For me, just move on. We keep trying. We keep trying. We don't stop trying. They say winners never quit and quitters never win. So that is one thing I just want us to understand. I'm not a financial advisor. I always see opportunity and I venture into it and I share with you guys. That's almost I do mostly on this channel for you to know what is the current state of earning in the world and in the digital space, and especially for Nigerians who want to earn in naira and all of that. So that is it. So huge is what I'm going to talk about here in this video. Huge came up after the other Fire VIP did their own scandal and all of that, and Huge came in place, seeing fully well that Huge. I was thinking that this is gonna last like 4 months, at least. By the time we do 2 months, 3 months, you should be able to make your profit back. But it didn't work that way. One of the things that, like I said, we normally see in this space is this. Now, these guys have stopped paying. They're not paying currently again, and you can actually do tax. So whatever you are seeing here is just figure. I didn't even withdraw from this account. I didn't withdraw. I have 14,000 naira. I didn't withdraw. So it's something that we keep working up to get it better one day. I know a time will come. All this will be regulated. That nobody will be able to run all this again to take money from people. People made payment directly to a bank. You understand? So I believe to get a time in this country where there'll be body that will be regulating all these guys for when you take money from people and all of that, you have people accountable for this that can go and do investigation and see how funds can be returned back to people and all of that. So that is just it, guys. That is just it, guys. And then it's not paying, it's not just paying. I have not made withdrawal, but let's even try and see if I can even make withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal, and then let's say I do 11,000 naira. I have not done withdrawal before, so 11,000 naira. So I'm supposed to have done my bank card. I think I've done my bank card. So I say withdraw. I see nothing is even working currently now. Okay, I choose my bank. I choose my bank. Okay, I don't know whether they're asking me to, because my upline has about 5 withdrawals pending currently now. Normally I give them my account number, so I don't know why it's not going through. So nevertheless, currently they are not them paying, guys. They are not paying. So that is just it. We have a very wonderful team here. Over 50 persons did, almost 60 people did actually come on board on Huge. It was just unfortunate. It's never up to 2 months. It was just a day of a launch, 2 days that we entered, and we have not even done 30 days. So if they keep doing things like this, how do you think we can trust any programs that come for us to us again in Nigeria? And the white guys will keep scamming us with their programs, a life of IPC, lives of cable tech and all of that, cubic life. So it will keep happening every time because we don't trust ourselves. Fire VIP did his own, and we all did, and we enjoyed it. I enjoyed Fire VIP anyway. I did enjoy Fire VIP. I made it withdrawal several times, but this is not up to a month. It's not up to, should I say, a month, or it's up to 90 days at least. At least there should be a set of people that can say people in Fire VIP collected money that didn't even fund. Some of my downline didn't fund. They collected money at the end, they now fund. So that is That was how those most of these guys actually did come on board in that programs. So they saw the trust and they now decided to go in. But some of these guys did not even go. This one did not even last for any reason at all. So that is my update. There's a link in the video to get on board to my WhatsApp group. I'll always drop update there, guys. So if you are watching this video, you want to be getting update from me, you can just click the link and get update in my WhatsApp. I'll be very happy to welcome you guys. Thank you so much for watching. The button to subscribe to the channel is very important, and the bell icon to get notified when I drop a new video update like this. It is very important. I'll keep updating you guys. We'll keep waiting. If it's going to pay, fine. If you're going to categorize payment, we'll update you guys. Thank you so much. On the homepage, on the page on my channel, you can just there that program is amazing. Validator is amazing. You can key into it. That's what I'll be doing. I have other passive income I earn too, and I've shared with you guys here. Why not to plug in with even as little as $50? Because the competency of that company is amazing, and I want you to be part of it. Instead of all this posting scheme we are doing, that it keep going around, round clock. We can't keep losing money to this shit, guys. Again, please and please do your due diligence too before you invest, and see you in the next video. Bye.